Okay, welcome to this part of the tutorial. We teach how to design awesome graphics works, okay, using your what, Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. You understand? So right now, this is especially for the beginners. If you don't know how to design from scratch, but you want to get money, you understand, designing awesome the graphic work for your clients, you can just come here, learn this thing without no stress. You can design work and deliver, then you can go and print for them. Do you get? You can go and print, you understand? So if you can just get this thing at the starting point, believe you me, you go far. Then you can go and pay for a tutorial where you can learn how to design from scratch. Do you get? You can learn how to design from scratch. But right now I'm going to teach you the easiest way you can just get all your awesome design and deliver to any type of client which you know. You understand? So right now I'm going to show you the first and foremost secret that every graphic designer you normally use is what? Freepik. Freepik is a website you can get your awesome templates, logo ideas, design, and whatever, even mockup. Even mockup, you can get it from here. You guys can get everything from here. So just sit back and sit tight and watch. If you don't understand anywhere along the video, you can just go back, start and learn and view back and watch what you have missed. You understand? But just listen and watch very well. It's very easy, very easy. In less than 10 minutes you are done with your design and deliver to your clients. You get? So this is just easiest way, you understand? So let's go. This is Freepik. On this website I'm on Freepik. And one thing about Freepik, that if you are not logged into their site, you'll be allowed to download 2 images per day. But if you log into their site, you're allowed to download 10 images. And if you want to download more than that 10 images, you can just go and subscribe for that premium services. You can download more and more images as you like. Do you get? And once about this thing, they give you free license to do anything you want to do with the products. Alright, so right now you teach you how to design a fashion flyer, and I've downloaded this particular template. How did I download this template? First and foremost, I told you to log into your account. So you can download more than, you can just create an account, free account there, then download more than. You understand? So let's log into the accounts right now. Am I connected to my server? Okay, I'm connected to the server. Okay. I'm connected. Then why is this still delaying me? Network is seriously okay. I believe I should have logged in right now. Am I not logged in? I should be logged in right now. Okay, so what you just do is just come over here and search for fashion flyers. Okay, come over fashion flyers. Alright, so yeah, you get awesome idea designs. You can see them. Awesome designs. And here's one I downloaded. Over here. So you can see, you can just come over here and pick a template. Okay, so since I downloaded it, I'll just hop over to my system. Yeah, this is the image, and this is the flyer. So I come over to the PSD because it's in a PSD file. Double click on it, so it's going to extract and we'll start to work as soon as possible. All right, so it's going to load. While it loads, going to be loading. While it loads right now, I think I'll have to pause you. Okay, welcome back. Now we are back to the templates. Okay, now this is the templates. Okay, and we are using Photoshop. So you can even see the image is there for us. Now this is a fashion shopping, let's just say this is a fashion shopping store. Okay, you want to design this particular design for a client. Now maybe the client wants to use this as a design on the bag, because this should be on the bag, you understand, on the bag of the store. When you purchase something, the bag which will give you the, so you can just come over here, then change the thing. This is just a drag and drop, drag and drop. Do you get? So right now these are the tools you should know about. These are very important tools. You should know what you use to design or do anything you want to do here. This place, and also on this place, the file edit, the image layer type, select, filter, view, window, help. All these things I will explain to you as we go. You understand? So right now, first of all, you need to know that here we have we have our layers. Any layer you want to touch on. So let's start right now. So we come to the text. What do you have on the text? We click on the text. We have here title. What's the title? Let me invisible that, so you can see what I have invisible. Invisible two things there. There are two things that we here. I have invisible them. Let me just make it visible now. Okay, invisible, visible. Okay, it's only one thing I just went out here. Now this is a title underneath it. I'm going to work with this. So now let's go. We start from the logo part. So we go to the logo. Okay, now let's replace that logo. I have a logo. Let's replace the logo. Come over to this place. Now click on OK. Keep layers. Click on OK again, and OK again. Okay, from here now I can now import. Let's go to your place, and where is my logo? 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 I think they should be in desktop. Let's go to desktop, and go to desktop. You go to desktop. Where will I see my logos? I think it should be in my files. My files. Okay, I go to my files. I'm going to use a PNG file because the logo. I'm going to use a PNG file, so I believe I should have the logo in PNG. Okay, yeah, I come over to PNG. I'll just design my students I'm designing. Go to PNG and I see this is a PNG file. I click on import. Okay, now yeah, this is it. So let's just see. Let me make it kind of. Remember, click on shift and left click. Click on shift and left click to enlarge. Don't just enlarge anyhow. Click on shift and left click to enlarge. So you enlarge. Don't stretch. You don't stretch in graphic design, but you enlarge. You enlarge it. Okay, so I don't want it to be too big. I believe no, this one is too big. Let me make something like this. Did a little enlargement there. Ctrl Z to undo what you have done. Understand? Then let's just say come bring it over here. Adjust it again. Ctrl Z. Shift and right and left click to reduce the size, then place it over here. Okay, I've placed that. Okay, so come over here, click on the mark. Okay, why? Okay, loading. So right here, still loading. Okay, it has been saved. So come over here, invisible this one and invisible this one, then you come over to your file, click on save. It has been saved. Okay, now you go back to your main file. Yeah, you can see now the logo is not here. So if you want to like add a text right now, you want to add a text to it right now at this particular place, you want to add the text. So now let's come over to this place. You can just come over to this place. Okay, so I want to add a text to my logo right now. Alright, text to my logo. I can just click on anywhere and I call it let's just call it G-Stars Concepts. Okay, so I'm going to give it the size, font size. Let me increase the size to 12. Let me see. Okay, you can see now it's increasing. Okay, so I'm going to change the color. I don't want the color to be okay. Color is white. Okay, the color is white. Okay, so I believe it's okay like that. You can just come over here, mark it, then use a pick tool, a drag tool. Okay, adjust it and place it over here. So that's your logo. I've done that. Very easy. We are online. Let me now change this this right up here. We are not online. We are not doing an online store. Okay, so let me go change the text. So you move over to text, and let's see if I should invisible the second part. What is going to go off? Okay, that's what's going off. So you are going to edit that. So remind you, once you click on it, the text style will be changed except to download it. So right now I'm going to download this particular font, okay, so that we can make use of it straightforward. Okay, so I'm going on my data, just on my data right now, and let me connect. Okay, it's been connected right now, so let me just update the fonts. You call continue. The following fonts are missing, so you can cancel it, then click on it again. I don't want to cancel. Okay, I would have done that from the beginning. So since I can't do that again, I have further fonts you can use. Okay, so let's just click on OK. Let the fonts change. Let it change. Alright, that's changed right now. So I'm going to change the right up there. So let's just assume they are doing a discount delivery. Okay, discount and discount. They're doing discount on their products. So let's just say they're doing 30% discount. Get your 30% discount on every purchases. So let's just say 30. I change it 30% and discounts, 30% discounts. Okay, so right now I have 30% discounts. So I'm going to go I highlight everything. I'm going to change my fonts. I don't want these fonts. It looks so normal. That's a percent discounts. No, not you. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you either. I think this should go somehow good. Let's see something else. Let's go for sure go for okay, let's go for this. Then let's reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. The size is too bogus. Let's reduce the size. Okay, done that. So click on mark this. We are done with that. Okay, 30% discount. So I want to do something. This 30%, I want to make it align to the center. So I'm going to click on the text tool again. I want to make it align. Okay, so I click here. Please make sure you continue watching from where we start to this particular point. Okay, so watch from where we started to this particular point. In fact, and keep on watching. Okay, there are a lot of things you need to know about this web design. Okay, so I'll click on a space. I'm going to space it. Yeah, I think it's okay. The other way you can just do something like that. Let's just assume I press Ctrl Z for reverse to where I started from. You can just come over here to put on what align to what center. Click over here, align to what center. Okay, it's not going to work like that. Okay, so just do what we did that time. So take it back. Okay, system is actually, so put in your space, let it align to the center here. Now 30% discount. Now this 30%, I want to let it be bigger. So I'm going to increase the size here too. So should be okay. So I can just come over here. Yes, so something is okay. Now G-Stars concept, 30% discount on every purchases you made. You get 30% discount. So I'm going to remove this. Your new clothes are on your way. So this your new clothes are on your way. I'm going to change it to on every purchases you get 30% discount. So I'm going to put your new clothes are, or let's just say your new clothes are on 30% discount, or your clothes being purchased. No, that's not going to work. So let's say your new clothes are 30%. No, it's not going to work. Yeah, this is when you need to use your let me just say your word, your sense, your brain. Okay, you need to now start brainstorming the kind of words you should use, the kind of language, so that people can understand what the design is all about, or what the company is about to do. You get? So right now, this kind of write-up, I'm going to change this write-up now. 30% discount on every purchases you made. That should be okay. 30% discount on every purchases you made. So let's go and remove this. Let's remove this. Yeah, I know it's going to occur. I know I have other fonts. Okay, so come over here. 30% discount on every purchases. Okay, on every purchases you make. Okay, let's just leave it like on every purchases. Let's say on every purchases. Okay, so I'm good with this. So I'm going to now change the right the fonts. I don't like the fonts. I don't like these fonts. I don't like, oh no, not my niche. Every purchases, I don't want that. I want it to be kind of, I need an italic on every purchases. Okay, let me see, does this go well? Let me see how it's going to be. Let's see when I mark it. Awesome, this is awesome. So get 30% discount on every purchases. Okay, now you can come over here and talk about the address of the complaint and whatever. You can just bring this thing up and put the address of the complaint up there. Do you get? So you can just come over here, the last one here there. Okay, this is the web. The last thing right up, I believe, should be this one. Let's just click on this one. Okay, I know you're going to change, I know. So let's say, for instance, I need to move this thing to the top side where I can put the complaint address. Yeah. Okay, so I can now change. I can now make changes. I believe you're enjoying whatever we are doing so far. You can see how we are doing all the changes here so far. Okay, so I'm gonna put my address. Let's just put my, let's put a random address, 23 and then comma. Okay, so this is the address I'm gonna put right now. After putting the address, and let me say I'll put the phone number. I press enter for phone number, and let's say 099510979. then put a space, then 08123707248. Okay, now you can also put your email address. Let's just see, email info at gistarsconcepts.com. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Okay, so I don't want this. Let me just see. This font should be okay. Let me just increase the size of this font. That's what I have to do. The size wants to go well. Okay. Lagos States. I put something like an email. Let me now align it. Yes, is what I'm looking for. Okay, let's mark this. Let me see what I have. Okay, I think I have something else from here now. So I have to now rearrange this design. So click on logo. Just click on the logo icon there. Okay, once you click on the logo, change this to a picture. Let this Gistars Concepts come over here. Okay, now go to the right top. What do we have here? Which right top are we moving? Let me see. Okay, this right top are moving, so let's do it like this. Awesome. can now see the changes which I'm making. Okay, so let's not change. You can also make some other write-up. Maybe you want to put some other things there. Let's just say jeans. You get jeans for 30 something naira. You get this for something naira. You can just, there's some others, there's space here. You can just do the write-up. Then this is your company. Then I put my name, just put my company over there. So you go to where you see websites. This is a web. Go to where you see web. Okay, double click on it. Yeah, say okay. So it's going to initialize type 2. Initializing type 2. Click on okay. Now I'm going to change from here now. Let's see from here. Alright, so hope you're getting more knowledge on how we are doing this thing. Okay, so this is going to be GStars concept.com is already there. Okay, so let me just select all of this and move to I change the fonts, or let me just make it bold. Okay, so I'm done with this. You can just click on this mark. Let's mark it for you. Okay, so you can just come over to the icon. I don't want any icon. Okay, if you just, let me just leave the icon, so you can decide to remove it, you can decide to leave it. So right now I'm going to do something. I'm going to move this this logo right now, this web. Now I'm going to move it up because I don't want it to be down. Move it up. Let's stay here with its family. Is where it's meant to be. Whatever your company, let's be there. Okay, so since I'm not going to write any other thing there, okay, I'm going to start from the text, move them one by one down. I'm going to be shifting them one by one down. So where am I having? Okay, that I'm not going to touch that. Then good place. So what's next? What's moving? Okay, this is moving. And come down here. Then this one. And not moving. That's not you. There's one more text. Show me that. On every purchases. This is every purchases. Every purchases. So let's just say you are welcomed. Okay, let me just put that you are welcomed. Okay, and where are you? You are welcomed. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this type of font. Okay, so I'm going to select all of this, click on Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl C for copy. Okay, now you have it. Right now you have copied it. Then go back to your text button, your select button. Okay, now you go to, just press your Ctrl V now to paste. Ctrl V now to paste. Ctrl V. Okay, it's not going to work. So what you should do, just go to your text button. You don't want it to click on anything right here. So let me just say I click on outside this box. Okay, so you can just control your V. Okay, so you drag this over here. So you drag this over here. Okay, so let's say you are welcomed. You're welcome. You're welcome. Then there's apostrophe. Okay, so right now we are good and I'm done. Okay, so in less than how many minutes I'm done with this design. You can see how awesome, how beautiful, how astonishing this design is. Okay, you can just get the design very easy, without no stress, without no struggle, without no in fact, very fast and good to go. Okay, so now in our next video I'll be dropping on how you can design other flyers and logos. Okay, so thank you very much, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So subscribe and hit the like button, and hit the bell button for notification when we'll be dropping our next video, so you get to learn more about how to design awesome websites. Okay, so there are other links to be dropped down right there where you can learn how to design website design and all that stuff. Okay, we also do website design, we design website for clients. So sit back tight and relax and watch out for the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.